Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you if you're new here. And this is the first time seeing this lovely face right here. I am Shay with the Pow. If it take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button to support your girl. So as far as my weekend, I need 15 offers for $5. The deals are really sucky right now. So I highly doubt that I'm going to come close to hitting that. I think we have a larger bonus as well. And I didn't hit the last one. I doubt I'm going to hit this one. But yeah, we're going to do what we do. I did want to mention that we got some croissant surveys on Flavor Wiki, and these were a little different. Like, you have to click on it and it starts a 72-hour timer. And I made the mistake of only doing that for the in-store portion. I didn't do it for the at-home portion. And so I don't know why they did it like that. Like, why I gotta wait 3 days? To me, it just makes no sense. And so, and then for that, it's a Pillsbury and it's the Great Value. So I probably will be doing those for my midweek. But yeah. The other thing, we got an Ibotta recap for 2025. I think I made over 3,500, I want to say 3,200 maybe. I'll pop it up right here. Let me know what you guys made for 2025. I think I made like 3,200. I earned 3,200. Other than that, we're gonna head into Walmart. I'm right here. It's early. This is my time. These are my hours. You know. I told you I'm a non-people person. Does that make sense? Like, I feel like I'm a people person, but I'm not a people person. Like, I'm a solo dolo. But anyways, with that being said, we're gonna head in. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do. Hit that like button and keep on watching.
All right, y'all. So this first deal is on the Jimmy Dean. It's on the maple griddle cakes. They're priced at $6.82. For this, we're gonna be grabbing 2 of them. You will pay $13.64, getting back 6 on Swagbucks, $1.50 total on checkout 51, making them $3.07 each. All right, so I'm gonna be grabbing this deal again on the Hairshire sausage. It's priced at $3.76. Now the offer for this did go up to $3.50 on the sister apps, and I'm hoping it continues to go up. Now, I'm also hoping that it resets on checkout 51 tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a set of 4. I've been scanning them to see which ones work. Obviously, this one works. This one works, and this one here. I think I'm gonna try the Cajun style one this time around. I'll get 2 of these and 2 of these. Turkey doesn't work. I would only get turkey, but I'm gonna get what I can get. And so we're gonna go ahead and grab 4 of them. Again, priced at $3.76. We'll end up paying $15.04, getting back 7 on Swagbucks, and a total of $3.60 on checkout 51, bringing them down to only $1.11 each, which for me is a low stock up price. All right, so next up is the Good Eatin'. I don't remember who I saw post this. It's an OTC offer. So we're gonna grab one at $4.34. We'll scan the OTC coupon or whatever. We'll pay nothing and get back 50 cents on Ibotta. Again, it's a 50-cent money maker. Next up is the Pure Leaf Zero Sugar. It's priced at $2.18. For this, we're gonna grab a total of 2 of them. We'll pay $4.36, getting back $1 on Ibotta, and then $1.50 on Swagbucks, making them 93 cents each. Now I know there's a printable. I was kind of tempted to try it and see if it worked, but I said, no, let's just do this. This is safe. We like being safe, and so not a bad deal. All right, so I finally found a store that restocked on the Airwick. I still have a whole stack of these coupons. They expire on the 18th, which is like tomorrow. We do have a new one on coupons.com, and I think it's good till like the end of this month. And so, but anyway, so Airwick is priced at $3.97. Using this $3 printable right here from coupons.com, we'll bring it down to 97 cents. Now, I have tried this one on the Apple one here, which rings up for $3.78, I want to say, but it doesn't scan on this one. So I've just been going for what it scans for. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. I just wanted to come over here and see if these were any lower. Why they playing? Why is Walmart playing with us? Why they playing? I don't understand. I just don't. It should be like, shit, 50 cents. The hell? Anyways. All right, yeah. So next up is the Axe. Now, I would definitely check this area because it looks like a lot of the deodorant is on clearance. like across the board. Like a lot of them are on clearance, which is really cool. I did see the speed stick at 175 down there. I think that was the one that was the lowest. But yeah, definitely check this area. Because yeah, and so it's on the Axe. They have, this is not the right one. Believe me, I checked. This one is for the black vanilla, the orange one, and a stick for $4. But if you were to grab one or grab two at $4.97, you would end up paying $9.94. You get back 6 on Ibotta. Would make them $197 each. This offer is available for Walmart Rewards as well. Next up is the Goodwipes. Amy let me know about this deal. I'll have a link in the description. It's on the Goodwipes. It says 1 pack, but it says up to $12.99, which is why I kind of low-key want to try a 3-pack and see if it works. I figure if it doesn't work, I'll just return it and grab the single pack. But the single pack is priced at $3.48. You'll get that back. Makes it absolutely free. I'm going to try, because you know I like to try some things. And we're going to try the triple pack and see if it works on this one. And so I'll let you know. Next up is the Axe body wash, priced at $4.97. For this one, getting back to $2 on Ibotta, bringing that down to $2.97. All right, next up is the Vaseline, priced at $3.98. Getting back to $2 on Ibotta brings that down to $1.98. This is the last deal I'm going to do. It's on the Vital Fusion. I was scanning different ones to see which ones would work for Swagbucks. We also have the offer on Ibotta as well. There's one offer on Checkout 51, but I think I'm going to use the $3 coupon right here instead. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a total of 2 of them. 2 is going to come to $11.96. We'll use 2 $3 printables from coupons.com. We'll bring the total down to $5.96, getting back 7 on Swagbucks, 3 on Ibotta, making them both free plus a $4.04 moneymaker. Now I'm going to go ahead and just max it out and grab 4. And so yeah, I'll let you know if it works out. All right, so I'm going to share with you 3 deals from Target and 3 from Sprouts. This is by far my favorite ice cream. My favorite. It's on the Yasso, so I had to do it. They're on sale this week, 2 for $9. I went ahead and grabbed 4. I paid $18 and got back $16 on Tada. And then there's a total of $6 on Ibotta. It's going to make this a $4 moneymaker. Now, I don't have offers on Fetch. You may, which would then make it a bigger moneymaker for you. All right, next up is the Hue. It's on sale 2 for $4. We have an offer for buy 2, get them free from WeStock. I'll have a link in the description. Making them absolutely free. Now, with this offer, I did have to write a review on the Target website as well. All right, so this next deal I got from My Best Deals. It was in one of her last videos. It's on the Momojuku noodles. They're priced at $7.99. I'm getting back $3 on aisles, $3 on Ibotta, makes it only $1.99. All right, and then these were the 3 deals that I did at Sprouts. I picked up the pasta. I believe you can do this deal at Walmart and I think Target as well. It's priced at $4.79, getting back $4.49 on Social Nature plus $1 on Ibotta, makes it a $1 moneymaker. The all-in bars are priced at $10.99, and we have a free offer on aisles. And then last but not least is the Milton's protein crackers. Those are priced at $5.99. We have a digital, making that absolutely free. So that being said, I'll see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. Let me just say I'm kind of excited to be back to real-time videos because the voiceovers was, I don't know. They save time, but I like the real-time videos better. And so this is my complete haul for today. Let me tell you, this one right here, this chocolate chip cookie dough is bomb. In fact, one of those is half empty because bomb. And so I think besides the sausage, and I'm excited to try those noodles too. I like food, period. I'm excited about this whole entire haul. I've gotten this one in the single, so I was happy to get a box of those as well. The Vital Fusion worked out perfect. It worked out perfect. All the coupons scanned. I went in self-checkout. And I submitted my receipt to Swagbucks first. Everything went straight through, which was awesome. I also did the Pure Leaf. Did I do the Pure Leaf? I think I did the Pure Leaf on that receipt. And I did the sausage. Everything went straight through, which is awesome.
Submitted that receipt on Ibotta, and it went through as well, which is cool. So I'm hoping it resets. I'm gonna probably order a set of coupons because hey, why not? And honestly, y'all, those are the vitamins I use. Yeah, Vital Fusion, yeah, a day, okay, a day. So that's a good deal for me. I did submit my receipt for the wipes for the 3-pack. I really want to see if I'll get credit for that. It did say it would take up to 2 days, so I'll let you guys know how that works out. I'll probably just pin a comment. The OCC for the Good Eating is scanned perfectly fine. All this in self-checkout. What else? I think that's basically it with this haul, y'all. Bless you, bug. Very simple, very easy haul. I love the fact that this is 95%, 98% food, which is cool. Oh, really quick though. I don't know why with the Fuku noodles. I don't know why I got 2. I thought the aisle offer was buy one, get one free. I don't know what I was thinking. So I do have 1 pack I gotta take back. I did correct my, when I was submitting my receipt for Ibotta, and I changed it to 1, but they still changed it to 2 and gave me 2. So I'm expecting that will be reversed for one of those, which I'm okay with. And I'm so excited to try those noodles. And so I just wanted to mention that. Other than that, y'all, I don't have a lot of receipts, but let me show you one of them that at least you can see that. Oh, the Airwick. See, coupon scans perfectly fine. Vital Fusion scan perfectly fine. Now, I know that the vitamin C, I believe, that one works as well, but that one costs more, so that's why I didn't get that one, obviously. The Airwicks on the floor are the ones that I got. I used every single coupon, $3.97 each. Coupon scan. This one right here was $4. And coupon scan. I wasn't sure if it was going to scan on this one because it didn't scan for the other one, and so, but it did scan for this one, so I'll make this $1. But I did get a total of 18 today between 2 different stores, and I probably will order more IPs because, like, why not? So I'm gonna order IPs from my IP fairy. I'll pop her up. I'm gonna get Vital Fusion, and I'm gonna get more of the Airwicks as well. And so with that being said, everything that you see here retails $156.96. We had $76.33 in coupons, and OTC, and I also had a digital for the Miltons, and that brought the out-of-pocket down to $80.63. I did cash out PayPal today, which was $25.87 there. Swagbucks is $21. Field agent is $18. I think I did 5 or 6 jobs this time around. Ibotta was $17.60. Ta-da, $16. Aisles was $13.99. V-Tags was for the wipes. I'm hoping that I do get that. It should be $9.97. And Social Nature $4.49. I just got that back today, and I did the deal yesterday. We Stock is $4 for the Hue. I'm still waiting for that. And for that one, I had to put a review on the Target website and then send like a screenshot of that. So we'll see how that works out. And then last one of these was Checkout 51, which was $3.60. So I did get back a total of $134.52. It's going to make everything you see here free plus a $53.89 money make, which is really cool. My tax was $8.39. And so awesome haul. All food, well, mostly food, which is always great. I'm excited to try these too. They kind of remind me of the Cheetos brand, but I'm excited to try those too. Like I said, I like food. I work out, I work hard, and so yeah, I like to treat myself. And if I'm not treating myself, it's gonna be with either gym wear or food. And so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. In the comments, I want to see ice cream. Let's see ice cream emoji in the comments if you make it to the end. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.